Okay, this is a look at the Garmin smartwatch. This is the Fēnix 7X. This is a hands-on look at it. Looks like it's got some breathable room there if you put it on your wrist. It is Wi-Fi enabled. Here are some of the buttons on the side. I do like a watch that has buttons. I like a tactile feel. This is where you can charge it up. A couple more buttons here on this side. And it does have a touch screen. It's not accepting my touch right now, but it does have a touch screen here. There you go. You just swipe up from the top and bottom. It's got a pretty good indicator light that shows up really well. It's really big, especially for somebody who may not be able to see that well. Here's some of the features that this thing offers. Solar power to go longer between charges. So this gives you a look at the Fēnix 7X Garmin watch.